Greeting dear students, today we will be discussing capital nature fund. So you already know that there are two types of funds. One is unrestricted fund and restricted fund. This we have already covered. So restricted fund or special fund, these are also known as restricted funds. Why restricted fund? Because they cannot be used for any other purpose. Only the purpose which is specified for these funds, they'll be used for that only. So there are two types of specific fund: revenue nature fund and capital nature fund. So what is capital nature fund? Capital nature fund means when we receive funds for irregular cause or irregular purpose, and these are very rarely received. Like for example, construction of building, construction of pavilions, in case of sports club, or special wards for corona patients. So all these causes are not regular causes. So here you need to remember one important thing: this capital nature fund is not same as your capital fund. Capital fund can be used for any purpose which non-profit organization committee thinks fit. That has to be in the according to the objectives of non-profit organization. But capital nature fund, in this case, the purpose for using this fund is already defined, and normally you will find the construction, especially construction of playgrounds or construction of buildings, pavilions will be there. So construction work will find that we'll be using capital nature fund. So how this capital nature funds are to be dealt with? For that I have taken one numerical for you. Suppose receipt and payment account of current year is given to you. Here donation for building fund is 60 lakhs, and construction of building, because you know that building cannot be constructed in 1 year, so this is work in progress. This is 27 lakhs. Then building fund, in the adjustment building fund opening balance is given to us as 30 lakhs, and capital fund on 31st March, this is also opening balance of capital fund, this is given to us as, let us take it at 50 lakhs. So these are the figures. So let us see how these are to be dealt in the balance sheet while constructing the balance sheet of a company, of a non-profit organization. So when you make balance sheet, you know that all these funds are shown on the liability side of the balance sheet, and the asset which is created out of this fund is to be shown on the asset side. So this is the balance sheet according to this particular question we are moving. So this is the balance sheet, this is asset side, this is liabilities. So let us see how this is to be shown. You are already having capital fund. So this is the capital of non-profit organization. Capital fund opening balance is 50 lakhs. I am writing this in the inner column because I need to make the adjustment in this fund. So now next is building fund is given to us. Opening balance, building fund opening balance, this is 30 lakhs. And what else is given during the current year? You further receive donation for building. So this donation for building will be added here. Donation for building fund, so these donations are 60 lakhs. So the total amount available for construction of building is 90 lakhs. So this is the total of building fund, and it is mentioned here that during the year we constructed the building and it is still in work in progress of rupees 27 lakhs. So on asset side we'll be showing construction of building, or you can also show this by building, and in the bracket you can mention work in progress. So this is 27 lakhs. It means this liability of building fund is completed up to 27 lakhs. So this 27 lakh will be transferred to capital fund, because when this whole full building will be ready, then there will be no balance left in building fund. So we'll deduct less transfer to capital fund. How much will be transferring? Amount equal to the spending on building, which is still in progress. So 27 lakhs will be deducted from this. So we'll be able to get 63 lakhs here. This is the balance of building fund, and here we'll be adding this transfer from building fund. This is 27 lakhs. So the total is 77 lakhs total of capital fund. So this is how we'll be treating in case of capital nature funds. So how this is going to impact? It will have 3 impacts. Work in progress will have 3 impact. Number 1, it will be deducted from the funds, from the respective funds, and number 2, in this case it will be written on asset side. On asset side of the balance sheet will be showing building work in progress. Though whenever see, it's not like that. You can have one question in your mind that this is not a double entry system, but it is a double entry system. When you are constructing your building, there is a cash or bank balance also, which we are not showing. So your cash or bank balance is also reducing. When you receive fund, your cash balance increases, and when you spend fund, here your cash balance will reduce. But because it is a capital nature fund, so it has to be treated differently as compared to the revenue nature fund, because here your asset is created. So whenever asset is created, it is either created out of capital or created out of liability. So the fund is reducing. Whenever we are constructing a building or spending money on building, your fund will reduce, and this much amount will be transferred to capital fund. So the third is will be added, this will be added in the capital fund. So this is how it is to be treated. In the next class, we will be doing numerical of T.S. Grewal relating to capital fund nature.